top speed run on the SSR 150.
Bro! I have peanut butter and pork on my face, you know what I'm
Yeah, you want back in? Alright, so let's get into this real quick. Okay, so I got this app. It's gonna tell us the speed. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have a screenshot up for it when I get the speed down. But we're gonna figure out the top speed. So let's do it. Alright, so we got 45 miles an hour. Not bad, not bad. I was expecting a little faster, but bike's not running the best right now, but still pretty quick. It's only a little 150, but yeah,